Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about Roman numerals. Roman numerals were originated in ancient Rome, and there are 7 basic Roman numerals which we use to make small as well as large number. And symbols for these 7 basic Roman numerals are I, V, X, L, C, D and M. With the help of these 7 Roman numbers, we make small as well as large numbers. And if we compare these numbers with Hindu-Arabic numerals, we'll find that this I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for 100, D stands for 500 and M stands for 1000. There are some rules for writing large as well as small Roman numbers, and these rules are: if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times it is repeated. For example, if I write I and I together, 2 I's together, so it will become 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. So this is the symbol for 2 in Roman numbers, Roman numerals we can say. Okay, similarly, if I write X twice, then it will become X is equal to 10 plus 10, which is equal to 20. And this is symbol for 20 in Roman numerals. Second rule is we are not supposed to repeat any symbol more than 3 times. For example, if I write like this, so here I have repeated this X 4 times. So this is wrong way. So X can never be repeated more than 3 times. This is the maximum time, and this will become equal to 30. But there are 3 symbols which are never repeated, and these are V, L and D. These are never repeated. Means that we are not supposed to write like this twice V. So it will become 5 plus 5, which is equal to 10. This is wrong way of doing, because for 10 we have one symbol, that is X. Third rule is, if a smaller value symbol is written to the right of the greater value symbol, then its value is added. For example, if I write V over here and I write I right to this V, then the value of this I will get added to the value of V. Means it will become 5 plus 1. This will become equal to 6. And this is the symbol for 6 in Roman numbers. Similarly, if I write V and again I, it will become 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 7. This is symbol for 7 in Roman numbers. Similarly, if I write X and I write I right to this X, then its value will get added to X. So it will become 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. And this is symbol for 11 in Roman numerals. Rule number 4. If a smaller value symbol is written to the left of the greater value symbol, it is subtracted. For example, if I write V over here and I write I left to this V, then its value of this I will get subtracted from this. Means it will become 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. And this is symbol for 4 in Roman numbers. Similarly, we can write X, and if I write I to left of X, then the value of I will get subtracted from x, means 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. And this is symbol for 9 in Roman numerals. And there are few symbols which are V, L and D. They are never subtracted. Never subtracted means we can't write these number left of a greater value symbol. Symbol I can be subtracted from V and X only, and symbol X can be subtracted from L, C and M only. This, and keeping all these rules in our mind, we'll write Roman numerals. Now let's write Roman numerals from 1 to 20. We know that symbol for 1 is I. This is 1. And for writing 2, what will I do? I will repeat this I 2 times. This will become 2. 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. And for 3, I will I will repeat this symbol 3 times. This will become 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And 4, first I will write 5. We know the symbol for 5 is this. This is 5. Okay. So for writing 4, what will I do? I will write this 5 and I will write I this side of 5. So it will become 5 minus 1, which is equal to 4. And for 6, I will write 5 and I will add I to it. Means I will write I right of 5. So it will become 5 plus 1, which is equal to 6. Similarly for 7, I will write 5 and I will repeat I 2 times. So it will become 5 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 7. Similarly for 8, I will write 5 and I will repeat this I 3 times. So it will become 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 8. And again for writing 9, first I will write 10. We know 10 is equal to this. So for writing 10, I will write for writing 9, I will write 10 and then I will subtract I from this 10. So I write I this side. So it will become 10 minus 1, which is equal to 9. Okay. Next we have 11. For writing 11, I will X and 1. This is equal to 11. And for 12, I will write X and the symbol for 2 is 2 eyes. So this is equal to 12. And for 13, I will write 1, 2, 3. This is 13. And for 14, we know this is X and the symbol for 4 is this. This is 14. And for 15, X and 5. And for 16, X and this is 15 and this is 16. And for 17, X and the symbol for 7 is this. So this will become 17. And symbol for 8 is this. So 18 will become like. And for 19, X and symbol for 9 is this. So this is 19. And for 20, I will write this X 2 times. This become equal to 20. We cannot write 4 like this, because here this I is repeating 4 times, and according to rule 2, we cannot repeat any symbol more than 3 times. Similarly for 9 also, we can't write 9 like this, because here also I is repeating how many times? 4 times. Let's write more Roman numerals. 21. 21 we can write like 20 plus 1. Symbol for 20 is double X and 1 is this. And for 24, 20 plus 4. We know 20 symbol is this, and for 4 we write like this. 29. 20 plus 9. 20 plus 9. How we write 9? Like this. And for 30 we will write like this. And 33, triple X and 3 ones. 35, triple X and V. 40. Before writing 40, I will write this 50. 50, how we write 50? For 50 we have this L. Okay. 40 we will write like L minus x. We have to subtract x from L because we cannot write 4 times x according to rule 2. So this is 40, means 50 minus 10, which is equal to 40. Okay. So 45 will be, we know 40 is XL and 5 is V. This is 45. For 60 we will write 60 is equal to 50 plus 10, which is equal to 50 is L and 10 is X, LX. And 65 will become LXV, and 66 will become L60 plus 6. 60 is LX, and for 6 we have this symbol. And 69 will write like 60 plus 9. 60 is LX and 9 is this. And 70 will write like this, LXX. Correct. And 75 LXX, and 5 we write like this. And 80 will write like L and triple X. And 85 LXXX and 5. 90. Before we write 90, I'll write symbol for 100. It is C. So for 90 it will become C. We have to subtract 10 from this 100, then we'll get 90, means 100 minus 10. So symbol for 90 will become CXC. Okay. And 95 will become XC, and for 5 we have this. 200 we can write like 100 plus 100, means we can write CC for 200. And how to write 225? For this we have to split this 200 plus 20 plus 5. So for 200 what symbol we have? Double C. And for 20 we have double X, and for 5 we have this. Similarly we can write for 300. 300 is equal to 100 plus 100 plus 100, 3 times 100. So it will become this, the triple C. And how to write 345? First we will split this number, 300 plus 40 plus 5. Now we can write. For 300 we have triple C, and for 40 we have XL, and for 5 we have V. And how to write 400? We can't write like this, correct? Because according to rule we can't repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So how to write this 400? For that, first I will write symbol for 500. We know the symbol for 500 is D. So this will become 500 minus 100. So we can write this symbol as C and D. Okay. And 450, 400 plus 50. So it will become 400 is C, D and L. And how to write 600? 600 is 500 plus 100. So it will become D, and for 100 what we have? We have C. For 700 D double C. For 800 D triple C. And for 900, first we will write for 1000. For 1000 we have M. So 900 will become 1000 minus 100. Correct? So it will become CM. Questions related to Roman numerals. Type 1 questions. Write in Roman numerals. First question is this, 1989. How to write this number in Roman numeral? First of all, we have to split this number. So this number is equal to 1000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 9. So how to write 1000? We know the symbol for 1000 is M. And for 900, what symbol we have for 900? CM. And for 80, what we have? L triple X. And for 9, we have this symbol. So this number we can write like this. Let's take one more example. 2001. Same. First we will split this number. Like we write like this. 2000 plus 1. What will be the symbol for 2000? We know 2000 equal to 1000 plus 1000. So it will become M, double M, and symbol for 1 is I. So this will become this. Next question is 2545. So same, we have to split this number. This number is 2500 plus 40 plus 5. We know the symbol for 2000 is double M. And for 500 we have D. And for 40 we have XL. And for 5 we have V. Some facts about Roman numbers. There is no symbol for 0 in Roman numbers. That's why calculations are very, very tough in Roman numbers. Still we use Roman numbers in some places like clock dials, page numbers, in schools to write class numbers, etc. We can write these numbers in small as well as in big alphabets. Like we can write 1 as this as well as in small letter, as well as we can write 1 as this with big I. And 2 we can write with small alphabets as well as we can write like this also. And 3 also we can write small i's 3, big I's. We can write really big numbers by putting a bar on small numbers. For example, if I write V, this is V is equal to 5. But if I put a bar on this, it will become 5 multiplied by 1000, and it will become 5000. Actually, by putting a bar on a number, we are multiplying that number with 1000. So similarly, we can write the bar on X. It will become 10 into 1000, means 10,000. Okay. A bar on L, it will become 50 into 1000, means 50,000. This number, what number is this? 5 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 7. But if I put bar on this, it will become 7 multiplied by 1000, becomes 7000. Like that we can write big numbers. Thank you everyone for watching my video.